Hey guys, my name is Michael and I'm here to talk to you about some do-it-yourself projects at home that focus on lighting. Let's get to it.
Looks like most of us are going to be spending a lot more time at home these days. But actually, that's a great opportunity for you to make some changes or some upgrades to your home that you've been putting off. You know you have. One easy, inexpensive way to make some changes: light bulbs. I got these from e-conolight.com. They are the Cree Pro Series 2700 color temperature. I personally chose this color temperature because I'm going to put them in my living room. I want my living room to feel cozy and warm. I have a different color temperature in my kitchen because I want it to feel bright. But if choosing a color temperature intimidates you, e-conolight.com has a great website to help navigate your choices. So I would encourage you to go to e-conolight.com, get these light bulbs. Well, not these in particular, you'll get your own, but make a big difference. Oh, one other thing. If you buy these or purchase these on e-conolight.com by noon Central Time, they ship the same day. I was crazy impressed at how quick I got these. I mean, it was almost instant gratification. But nevertheless, e-conolight.com is an easy change, and it can make a big difference. e-conolight.com, check it out.